afternoon, my dear students. Already we have studied in last lecture what is the types of index number. The first types of index number is price index number, second one is quantity index number, third is the value index number, and fourth is the special purpose index number. Okay, then already we have studied construction of index number means following steps are involved in the construction of index number. The first is the purpose of index number, second is the selection of the base year, third is the selection of atoms means verification of the commodities, then fourth selection of the price quotations, then fifth choice of suitable average, then assigning proper weights, and seventh selection of an appropriate formula. And then already we have started methods of construction index number. There are mainly or especially two methods are there. A is the simple index number and B is the weighted index number. In simple index number, every commodity is given equal importance. Every commodity has given equal importance. It means that it is the easiest method of construction index numbers. And in simple index number, there are three subtypes are determined to calculate or solve the various types of the example with the help of first determine is the price index number, second one is the quantity index number, and third one is the value index number. So we have start the some examples of construct a price index number using the simple method from the given data. So first is the price index number. So A is the price, the small a is the price index number. Price index number. Okay. For example, look at that. Three columns are there. Okay, to calculate, to solve the price index number, then first column is the commodities. Commodities. Second column is the prices. Prices in bracket rupees 2000. In 2010, it is called as the base year. Base year. Base year indicate P0 and price in bracket rupees in 2015. Current year. Current year, it is indicate P1. It is indicate P1. Commodities are there. Commodity A, commodity B, commodity C, and commodity D. Clear? Total prices 2010 base year is P0 and current year price P1. So in 2010 the price of commodity A 20, B 60, 2060, then 100 and 140. Okay, then prices of 2015 in current year 30, 80, 130 and 60 and 60. आता एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा, प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर तयार करताना अशा प्रकारचं जर तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल परीक्षेमध्ये दिलेलं असेल किंवा ही समजा संख्या अशी तुम्हाला आढळलेली असेल कमोडिटी ए बी सी डी आणि प्राइस इन 2000 बेस आहे, तर त्याची अशा प्रकारचं मांडणी करायची. मांडणी केल्यानंतर लक्षात ठेवा P0 या सगळ्यांची बेरीज करायची. समेशन P0 इज इक्वल टू and summation P1 is equal to, the summation P0 is equal to means base year's price adding on is 20 plus 60 plus 100 plus 40. Okay, then current year price add total addition 30 plus 80 plus 130 plus 60. Okay, so the total is 300 and in this total 220. Okay, clear? Then formula of price index number. Okay, price index number. Price index number is equal to P01 is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100 into 100. Is that clear? Okay, so P01 indicate price index number. Summation P1 means so 30 plus 80 plus 130 plus 60 is equal to 300. It is called as the summation P1, means the all prices of various types of commodities like A, B, C, D in current year P1, and so all prices of commodity A, B, C, D summation P0 into 100. So summation P1 means, look at that, P01 is equal to 300 upon 220 into 100. Is that clear? Into 100. So answer is 136.36. Okay, 136.36. So P01 is equal to 136.36. So the price index number of P01 is equal to 136.36. Is that clear? Okay. बघा एकदम सिंपल मेथड ही प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर काढण्याची आहे. म्हणजे सिंपल इंडेक्स नंबर मध्ये पहिलं प्राइस नंबर काढणार आहे. अशा पद्धतीने नंतर बघा कमोडिटी किती आहेत? 4 A, B, C आणि D. बेस इयर P0, A ची 20, B ची 60, C ची 100, D ची 40 आणि सगळ्यांची बेरीज केली की P0 is equal to 20. त्यानंतर प्राइस इन ब्रॅकेट रुपीज इन 2015. current year P1 30, 80, 130, 60. So summation P1 is equal to 300. And then what is the formula of price index number. So P01 is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. So what is the meaning of summation P1? What is the meaning of summation P1? Sum total of prices of the current year. Sum total of prices of the current year. And summation P0 means sum total of prices of the base year. 300 upon 220 into 100 is equal to 136.36. So P01 is equal to 136. Okay. आणि हे स्टडी करत असताना समजा आपण इथं कोणत्या प्रकारची डिफिकल्टी जर आली तर तुम्हाला पर्सनली विचारू शकता, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ओके. सेकंड, बी क्वालिटी इंडेक्स नंबर. बी quality index number. Okay. Sorry, quantity. Quantity quantity index number. First index number is the price index number. Second is the that is the determine of simple index number or some methods of simple index number. The first method is the price index number and B is the quantity index number. Okay, so quantity index number. Look at the example: commodities ABCD program, then quantity in 2000. Quantity in 2000 base year Q0 because quantity index number Q0, then quantity in the year 2001, current year means Q1. Change the prices. So base year's quantity in 2030, 55, 90 and 35. Current year's quantity in 2001 means Q1 45, 70, 105, 60. Okay, so summation Q0 is equal and summation Q1 is equal to someone else. Okay, so what is the formula to construct the quantity index number using the simple method from the given data? So add the quantities of the different commodities of the base year to derive summation Q0. Add 30 plus 55 plus 90 plus 35. Second step is add the quantities of the different commodities of the current year. Summation Q1 40 plus 45 plus 70 plus 105 plus 60. Okay, and then apply the formula. Quantity index number is equal to Q01 is equal to summation Q1 upon summation Q0 into 100. Q0 into 100. Okay. Q0 into 100. So, what is the meaning of summation Q1 sum total of quantities of the current year. Sum total of quantities of current year, it is called as the summation Qn, and some quantities of the base year, it is called as the summation Q0. Okay, the summation Q0 means sum total of quantities of the base year. The sum total of quantities in current year and sum divided by some quantities of quantities in base year. Okay, means add sum total of quantities of the base year. Look at that. So 45 plus 70 plus 105 plus 60 is equal to 280. So 280 means Q01 is equal to summation Q1. Q1 means so sum of total of quantity of current year, and 30 plus 55 plus 90 plus 35 summation Q0 means so sum of total of quantity in base year is 210. So look at that. Q01 means quantity index number is equal to, so summation Q1 is 280 upon summation Q0 is 210 into 100 is equal to 133.3. So Q01 is equal to 133.33. Clear? बघा, प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर आणि क्वांटिटी इंडेक्स नंबर काढताना सेम आहे, फक्त त्याच्यामध्ये आपण बदललंय काय, ज्यावेळेस प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर आपण वापरत होतो ते प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर वापरताना इथं आपण P0 वापरलेला आहे आणि इथं P1, आणि क्वांटिटी इंडेक्स नंबर करताना आपण फक्त काय बदल केलेला आहे की बेस इयर Q0 and current year Q1 because this is the quantity index number. बाकी सेम आहे, कॉमोडिटी ABCD आहे, आणि मग Q0 means sum of total of quantity. Sum of total quantity, it is called as summation Q0 is equal to 210, and sum total of quantity of current year, it is called as Q1 means 45 plus 70 plus 105 plus 60 is summation Q is equal to 280, and it can be expressed or measured with the help of this formula. What is the formula of quantity index number? Quantity index number is equal to Q01 for the quantity index number is equal to summation Q1 divided by upon summation Q0 into 100, and Q01 is equal to, so summation Q1 is 280 upon summation Q0 is equal to 210 and into 100, and is equal to answer is 133.33 means so quantity index number is equal to 130 in which year, so quantity in 2000 base year and quantity in 2001 current year. Clear? Okay. Then third, value index number. Now how many methods includes simple index number, price index number, quantity index number, and value index number? Okay. Then C is value index number. Index number. Okay. In simple index number, the first method of simple index number is price index number. Second method of simple index number is the quantity index number, and third method of the simple index number is the value index number. Okay, so it can be measured as, look at that, so measure as value index number is equal to V01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 upon summation Q0 Q1 into P0 and Q0. Okay, so what is the meaning of V01 value index number? What is the meaning of summation P1? Sum total of the product of the price and quantities of the current year. Price and quantities in current year, and price and quantities in base year. Okay, sum total of price and quantities in base year, and sum total of price and quantities in current year and in total year. Clear? Okay, so apply the formula first and then solve the problem. Is that clear? Okay. There are mainly 3 columns are there. Commodities first. PQRS, PQRS. The last column is total. This is the base year and current year. Base year and current year. Sub columns. Subcolumns. This base year 1 to 3, current year 1 to 3. Okay, so P0, Q0, and then P0, Q0. Okay, then P1, Q1. Then P1 and Q1. 5, 10, 15, 20. 15 and 20. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 20, 30, 40, 50. Then Q1, 10, 8, 6, 4. 6 and 4. Okay, look at that. Value index number. Commodities P, Q, R, S, or you are right, A, B, C, D. P0, 5, 10, 15, 20 in base year. Q0, 4, 3, 2, 1. And both Q0, Q0 means 5 into 4, 20. 10 into 5, not 10 into 3, 30. Then 15 into 2, also 30. Then 20 into 1, also 20. So you have got P0 and Q0. Okay. Then P1 and Q1. So 20 into 10, 200. 30 into 8, 240. And 40 into 6, also 240. Then 50 into 4, 200. Very simple method. Okay. And then summation P0 Q0 is summation P0 Q0 is means 20 plus 30 plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 100, and summation P1 Q1 is equal to means 200 plus 240 plus 240 plus 200 means 840. 880. So formula is value index number V01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 into summation divided by P0 Q0 into 100 means V01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q0 into 100. Then V01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 is 880 upon summation P0 Q0 is 100 into also 100 into also 100, and so answer is 880. 880. So V01 means value index number is 880. That is the third method. Look at that. That is the third method of simple index number. First is the price index number, second is the value index number, and third one is the first is the price index number, second is the quantity index number, and third one is the value index number. Is that clear? बघा आता value index number मध्ये काय केलं आपण commodity घेतलेलं P Q R S. इथं दोन भाग केलेले बेस शेअर आणि करंट शेअर. बेस शेअर मध्ये काय केलं P0 and Q0. P0 and Q आता P0 and Q0 sum total of the product of the prices and quantities of the base year. Okay, prices as quantity of the base year. Okay, मैं आता 5, 10, 15, 20, 4, 3, 2, 1 याचा आणि याचा आपण गुणाकार केला, याचा आणि याचा गुणाकार केला, याचा आणि याचा गुणाकार केला याचा, आणि ह्या P0 Q0 याचा यांची बेरीज इथे घेतलेली. The sum of total of prices of various goods and quantities is 100. Then sum total of prices of product of the price and quantity. The current year it is called as P1Q1. याचा आणि याचा गुणाकार केला 200, याचा आणि याचा गुणाकार केला 240, याचा आणि याचा गुणाकार केला 240, याचा आणि याचा गुणाकार केला 200 आणि मग 8. मग आपण सूत्र घातलेले is it can be expressed with the help of that formula. P01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q0 into 100, and so P01 means P1 Q1 is 880 upon summation P0 Q0 is 100 into 100, so answer is 880 and P01 is equal to 880. Clear? Okay, and here is the unit of simple index number. There are 3 determinants in simple index number. The first is the price index number, and second is the quantity index number, and third one is the value index number. Clear? The B group is the A is the simple index number. Means construction of index number. There are two methods, mainly two methods, special two methods. First is the simple index number, and second is the weighted index number. So B group, weighted index number. In this weighted index number, weights are assigned to various commodities. It gives relative importance to the commodity in the group. In most of the cases, quantities are used as the weight. म्हणजे प्रत्येक वस्तूला या मेथड मध्ये भार दिला जातो, वेट म्हणतात. ओके, हा. There are various types of construction weighted index numbers such as last year's price index and past year's price index. ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. So first types of the weighted index number is last year year's index number. Last year's index number. Okay, that is the sub method of the main index number, like weighted index number. First, last year's price index number, and second one is the past year's price index number. So it can be calculated as constant last price index number for the given data. Look at that. Now explain. So here is the question. There are in question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first is the commodities. A, B, C and D. This is the base year and current year. Okay, base year and current year. P0 and Q0, and in second example P1 and Q1. Clear? The solution is okay. This is the question, and that P0 20 10 40 30 4 5 8 4 then 30 20 60 40 then 6 8 5 and 4 this question अशा प्रकारचा प्रश्न तुम्हाला विचारल्यानंतर त्यामध्ये फक्त पुढे परीक्षेत आन्सर देताना दोन कॉलम तुम्हाला वाढवायचे बघा. दोन कॉलम तुम्हाला वाढवताना खाली फक्त काय म्हणायचं टोटल म्हणजे इथपर्यंत हा प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे आणि हे म्हणत असताना P1 Q0 and P0 Q0 आता बघा P1 Q0 P1 Q0 120 ये 30 गुणिले 4 20 गुणिले 5 100 60 गुणिले 8 480 then 160 आता बघा P1 आणि Q0 आणि Q0 या दोन्हीचा या ठिकाणी गुणाकार केलेला आहे आणि P0 Q0 म्हणजे 20 into 4 80 50 320 and 120 320 and 120 so 860 and 570 clear okay इथपर्यंत प्रश्न आहे फक्त पुढे तुम्हाला काय करायचे लास्ट पेज सेंटेन्स नंबर मध्ये P1 Q0 P0 Q0 okay and the formula is P01 is equal to summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0 okay then look at that so what is the value and what is the price of summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0 into 100 okay into 100 look at the price means P0 Q0 P1 Q1 P1 Q0 P0 Q0 okay so it can be calculated as with the help of last pair's index number so look at that P01 is equal to P0 Q0 P0 Q0 is the sum of total of P0 80, 50, 320, 125, 107 and 860. Clear? Okay. So 860 upon 570 into 100 into 100. So the answer is 150.80. So P01 is equal to 150.80. It is called as the last year's index number. Is that clear? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, याच मेथड प्रमाणे तुम्ही 500 चा इंडेक्स नंबर सॉल्व करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. बाकीचा भाग आपण उद्या संपवूया. थँक्यू.